Most people think businesses became smart only after computers and AI showed up. That's not true. The real story starts much earlier, when companies first realized that decisions shouldn't be random. Take early industrial giants like Ford Motor Company. When Henry Ford introduced the assembly line, it wasn't just about speed, it was about measuring every step, reducing waste, and optimizing output. That was one of the earliest forms of business analytics, even though no one called it that. It was simple. Observe, measure, improve. Then came a more structured approach. Thinkers like Frederick Winslow Taylor introduced scientific management, breaking work into smaller tasks, timing them, and finding the most efficient way to perform each one. For the first time, business decisions started relying on data rather than assumptions. Later, during the mid-20th century, companies began using basic statistics and operations research to solve problems like inventory management, logistics, and forecasting. This was the foundation. Slow, manual, but powerful. The real acceleration happened when computers entered the business world. Suddenly, companies could store large amounts of data and process it faster than ever before. By the 1980s and 1990s, tools like spreadsheets and early databases allowed managers to track performance, analyze trends, and make more informed decisions. This was the era where business analytics started becoming part of everyday business operations, not just something for experts. Then the internet changed everything. Businesses were no longer dealing with thousands of data points. They were dealing with millions. Customer behavior, online transactions, clicks, searches, everything became measurable. Companies started using business intelligence tools to turn raw data into dashboards and reports. But here's the shift. Instead of just understanding what happened, businesses started asking why it happened and what could happen next. Analytics moved from hindsight to insight, and now we're in the AI era. Business analytics is no longer just about analyzing data. It's about predicting outcomes and automating decisions. Companies use machine learning to forecast demand, personalize customer experiences, detect fraud, and optimize operations in real time. What used to take weeks of analysis can now happen instantly. But the core idea hasn't changed since Ford's time. Measure what matters, understand it deeply, and use it to improve performance. At the Learning Studio, the focus isn't just on tools or trends, it's on understanding the evolution of how businesses think and decide. Because once you see this progression, from manual observation to AI-driven decisions, you realize something important. Businesses don't win because they have more data. They win because they use it better. And once you understand that, you stop seeing companies as static organizations and start seeing them as constantly evolving decision-making systems.